So welcome back to another Northern Boys video. Out here with my buddy. He's currently drilling his hole. So yeah, on Circle Lake. Nice sunny day. So yeah, peace. There we go. Oh, got my first pike of the day. Little snot head. Come on. These guys are known that they're not nice. I just saw them come up and at my bait so fast. There's another one down there too. Get a nice video of the Regs. There's another one down there. There she goes. So my buddy Austin, he just sent up his line. Got a nice little pike. It's a baby, but it's a fish. Oh yeah. Let her go. Let's go.